here at Doughnut with Dan and Karina. And I'm just like, my mouth is watering because it smells like sugar and there's something really delicious on the table in front of us. But first, I really want to hear, what your journey has been.
Well, I had kind of, as far back as I could remember, wanted to be vegetarian. I was vegetarian, and then a few years later, I had passed by a book in a bookshop about veganism, but I started reading about why someone would be vegan, and I made the decision right then, like, that's it. Like, we didn't know for certain that we would open up a business, but we played with the idea for years and years. When the idea for a donut shop came up, it was the idea that seemed to fit the best, mostly because it wasn't as complex as like a restaurant where you need to have all of these different recipes down. Neither of us had studied culinary arts. So we decided, if we open up a donut shop, we just have to figure out how to make a really good donut. We weren't aiming to replicate something, in our own minds. We were really trying to invent something new.
Okay, I can't stop eyeballing the blueberry.
Please,
I'm going for
please,
it.
but save room because we're going to be making donuts. And
Just a bite.
Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get rolling on the donuts. And now I'm bringing it over to our sheeter, and I'm flouring the surface. I'm gonna roll it out a little bit, and we're gonna feed it through the machine, and we're gonna watch it cut out some donuts for us. So here, this is a really fun part. We just pull away the donuts that didn't make the grade. And this dough that I'm not using right now, I don't have to throw away. I just ball it up and I let it kind of get a little more of a proof again. And then I join it with some other scrap, and it gets a second chance. As for these, I will pick out the donut holes and I lay them on this cloth. These ones are gonna look really nice. And I'm popping them in here. This is the proofer. They're gonna dry out just a little bit on the outside. That's gonna create like a protective shield around them, or the dough on the inside as they go through the fryer. So they're not like a sponge that are gonna soak up all of the oil. Even though they're just free floating in oil, the oil's really just cooking them with heat. Yep, we mix all of the glazes fresh and by hand. So the glaze, we'll use this for the traditional glaze. Okay, so here's this is how we glaze them. The next ones I'll do is cinnamon sugar.
Oh, the vanilla. Yeah, it's another experience.